Introducing the angle bracket spill containment berm, a lightweight yet incredibly tough secondary containment solution that's both economical and highly effective. It's perfectly suited for storing vehicles, generators, transformers, and palletized drums, or for use in refueling and maintenance operations. Its foldable design makes shipping and handling a breeze. Once deployed, the sturdy support brackets create strong, reliable walls. Combined with its fuel and chemical-resistant liner, it's the dependable safety guard your worksite needs. Setting it up is quick and straightforward. Step 1. Unfold the berm on a flat, debris-free surface, ensuring the floor lies smooth without wrinkles. Step 2. Locate the pre-cut slots along the walls and have the aluminum angle brackets ready beside their corresponding slots. Step 3. Slide each bracket into its slot. The top fits securely into the pocket, while the base sits firmly beneath the liner, with the 90-degree corner facing the wall for optimal support. Finally, simply lift the walls into position, and your containment area is ready for action. No tools are needed. It's a one-person job that saves you time and money, providing instant spill preparedness. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.